What's up everybody, Manuela Vincent back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to be sharing with you another way where you can earn $100 or more simply sharing other people's products. Okay, sharing other people's products. You don't have to have an inventory on hand, you don't have to have any products on hand. All your job would be is to just basically direct people to a link, share the information through various means on various platforms, and you get commissions for it. It's so super simple, guys. It's what I've been sharing with you guys all over my channel, but this is basically a way where you can start without having an upfront investment. Okay, but before we get into the content of the video, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. On my channel you're gonna find I share many ways where you can earn money online. Okay, I'm gonna show you that today. I'm gonna explain about what it is I do. All right, and I share with you business tools that I use to make myself more successful and be able to reach more people. I also share with you motivation and inspiration. That way, you know, that I love to put light back in people's lives, right? I know we're in a bad time right now, so any way that I can make your life easier by sharing a smile or, you know, sharing a nice quote, those are the things that I like to put out in the universe. Okay, so if any of that is interesting to you, go ahead and do me a favor, guys, hit that subscribe button down below. Also be sure to hit that notification bell, that way you're notified when I do put out another video. Okay, so we're gonna get started. As you can see on this page, guys, it's my blog, and as you can see here, I put I'm an affiliate marketer, YouTube creator, because that is the main way that I promote my affiliate offers. Now, what is an affiliate marketer, guys? And excuse me if you hear loud lawnmowers coming from my background. They are doing mowing the grass today, so please excuse that loudness. Okay, but an affiliate marketer basically, guys, is someone who refers people to other people's products. Very simple. There's nothing complicated. Matter of fact, you could be doing that and not even realizing it. Okay, I didn't know this 4 years ago. I've been in this industry for about 5 years now, and pretty much everything out there, guys, you know, is asking if you can refer something to someone. Think about your cell phone company. They might give you a bonus. They like to call it a bonus if you refer your family or friends to join. You might get $100 bonus, a $50 bonus, whatever the case may be. That's an affiliate offer. You have to look at it in terms like that. Well, you know, you can start low, like I've started low. I have programs where it's a small commission I earn up to larger commissions. I've scaled up over time because I like to promote high ticket products, because that's where the money is, right? But you start where you can budget wise. The way I'm going to show you today is a way you can start without having a large investment. Okay, so now you know what affiliate marketing is. It's very simple. Pretty much any page. I can give you a couple offhand. Amazon.com. If you go to the bottom of their page, they have an affiliate program. So they pay out, I believe it's like 10% commissions. If someone sees your link, they buy something from through your link, you get a 10% commission, right? Is that life-changing money? Perhaps not, but it's a nice way to start. Perhaps part-time. If you want to make it a full-time income, obviously you're going to put more time into it, right? I do this full-time, and I have other things I'm involved in, but basically bottom line is you can earn 100 or more doing this. Okay, it's a very popular way to make money online, and it's one of the ways that I like to recommend because again, it's fast to do it. You can get creative with it. It's can be very inexpensive. There's free ways to market, there's pay ways to market. Okay, so the number one place I'm going to suggest you start, guys, is to go to a place, and I'm going to actually retype it in, and I'll drop the link below in the description. Clickbank.com. Okay, and guys, if you are not interested in promoting how to make money online, not a problem. There's so many niches on there you can choose from. I'm going to specifically talk about my niche, which is making money, because I want to get people out of the mindset of not believing it's true, because I've showed you proof it works, and I feel like I can reach so many people, and I want to reach many people. But you click on here and log on, and basically what you're going to want to do, actually before I even go there, guys, go back one notch. You're going to sign up for a free account. This is completely free to do. You sign in. Once you're in, you log in. Okay, and you know, I'm going to log into my account, and basically in here, this is what your back dashboard or office would look like. What you want to focus on is go to your marketplace. Okay, I'm going to walk you through this, guys, and then you can try this yourself. It's free to start, free to create an account. So right here is my niche, e-business and e-marketing. And if you, let's say that you like health and fitness, you could go here. That's a big niche, right? These are all the various topics you can talk about, and they're all here. You don't have to come up with any products, guys. That's what I love about this. Everything is here for you to just utilize, and it's free. They provide you email swipes. You know, if you have an email list, you want to email people, you can have that in here. They guide you on the tools that you can utilize to like go out and promote this, right? Okay, but we're going to go into my niche just because I really enjoy it. And so what you would do, I'm going to click on affiliate marketing under e-business and e-marketing. And the premise is the same for any niche you pick. I'm just saying you want to stick with one and kind of be consistent with it. I've been doing this for like 4 to 5 years now, and I really enjoy it. And so basically what you'll do is you'll rank for gravity. You want to sort your results by gravity, because that means it's a hot product, okay, in whatever niche you're in. So if you notice, this one on the top is the first one that's hot. A lot of people are purchasing this item. It tells you what the starting sale is on it. You typically 50%. You get 50% of whatever the person buys through this particular funnel that this guy has, right? This is an offer that I currently promote and have promoted in the past. But it's so simple. I'm going to show you how simple this is. We're not going to get into the every little single thing, guys, on this video. Just know that if you decide to basically do this method, you're gonna actually, in the description, I'll have you come and join my Facebook group, where I will be able to provide you nuggets and tips and tricks and things like that. Also, you have me and my email and various ways to reach me if you get lost with this stuff, guys. But all you'll do is you're going to come to this promote link right here, and you're going to have this pop up, and all you'll do, and it even tells you how much you'll get, 50% of whatever the sale, whatever they purchase, you get 50% of it. And you'll click the generate a hop link, guys. This is your unique link, so this would be the link that you would share through this, but I'm going to take it a little deeper. Because this particular offer does have affiliate swipes and things like that. They went a step further and created unique swipes and other ads for you to use to promote it. So right here under each of these offers, you'll see an area called affiliate page. That's what you want to click on. I'm going to open that in a new tab. Okay. And basically, this is where you'll come to get ideas.
Hey, what's up, JV's an affiliate?
And there he goes, he's talking. You can watch the video, that was really loud, but you could come here, and what you'll do is you'll come under affiliate links. That's where you're gonna grab your links, guys, okay? You're gonna grab your links to market this thing, okay? He's got so many swipes on here. His swipes happen to be in a Google Doc, is where he put them at. So what I'll do is I'll grab this, open this up, it'll go into a Google Drive. And I've set up campaigns, like you can market this how you want to. And again, I can't go into too much on this, it'll be too long. But for me personally, I send this out to email lists. I send this out to people that I have lists already built, and other lists that I continue to build, right? To continue to build. But basically, I would open this up as an example. And again, I apologize if you hear loud lawnmowers. But you would come here, and for instance, you have an email swipe one. This is all copy and paste, guys. It's so simple. I love this kind of stuff because it's easy. It's newbie friendly. Everybody can use it, right? So you would just take your subject line that he put, one subject line, and then just take this context right here. And of course, you would replace this, guys. All this right here, you would replace with this, guys, because it has your, and that was up here. It should default automatically, but whatever your username is for ClickBank, mine happens to be that, so it defaults, and it will actually fill in all that info for you. You're going to take that and simply replace this and put that in there, right? That's what I would do. Wherever the X's are, that's where your username goes. So basically, when the person comes to the email and they click on your links, right, or your social media, wherever they're going to be clicking at, I wouldn't advise putting this long thing on a post. You have to think outside the box a little bit, maybe shorten it and come up with a little bit of a creativity with that. But I would use this as it is. It's an email swipe, and you would take this and basically, I'm going to give you an example. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to take this hop link and I'm going to put this right here for an example. Remove that, boom. Actually, let me make a copy of this because they're not allowing me to overwrite it. I'm going to make a copy of that. And honestly, I didn't even have to do all that. I'm just going to take what I copied, which was this, and I'm going to open it into another tab, guys. Okay. And I'm going to put this right here, and it's going to pop up with, you see my name was still in there, right? And it pops up with this. It pops up with this, and the person is going to simply put their first name and their best email address in here, and it's going to take them through a series of information about how to purchase this. And again, it's a funnel. So when the person goes in, they're going to see the first offer, which is the lowest, which is probably $13. They purchase that, you're going to get a commission. That's usually 50%. The next one is going to be probably higher, and it's going to go all up to the highest, and you get 50% of anything in the funnel that they purchase. That's the brilliance behind affiliate marketing, guys. You know, it's very simple what I just showed you. Now, again, you would just use the information they have here. They lay it out all for you in here. They guide you on how to market it. There's some more marketing ideas in here. So everything is in here, but that's what you would do. This guy here, you know, there's links, there's scripts. He tells you when, at what time of day to email people, what's the best time. So everything is in here. You can't go wrong with this. This is a very easy way to start if you're new to affiliate marketing. So if you're not into this particular way of this niche, again, you could pick any niche you want to, but the premise is still the same, is what I'm trying to tell you. You can earn $100 or more depending on whatever the product is. But that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, this is such an easy way to earn some additional money. You can do this part-time, full-time. This is the method that I use. And again, I have other products I've scaled up. But if you have not a big budget, this is the way I suggest you to start. All right, guys, if that makes sense, if that makes any kind of sense to you, give me the thumbs up. Be sure to like and share this video. You know, leave me a comment below if you found anything, you know, unique about this. If you're doing this and it's working for you, I want to hear success stories, right? But this is the way you can start getting some income in your household, whether it be part-time or full-time. It's a simple way to market, and you're already probably doing it. You just didn't know. Okay, guys. So again, you know, thanks for supporting me as I continue to provide these videos to you guys. I want to provide you with value. If you've gotten any value out of this, guys, I want to hear that as well. Be sure to drop me a comment below. Okay. Also, guys, if you want to see my #1 recommended way to really elevate your earning potentials, take a look at this next page. And guys, if you feel like you're getting value from this video and you want to learn about my #1 recommended way to earn a full-time income online, be sure to go to this first link at the bottom of the description. Go and put your best email address, and with this opportunity you're able to make anywhere from $100 to $2,000 per day, 100% commissions. All right, guys, so again, if you have any questions about what you saw today, drop me a comment. I really love to hear people. I love again, hearing success stories. Down in the description you'll find out all the information about ClickBank. You're going to find out other various ways. Also, if you guys need leads, I have all that down below in the description as well, guys. So it's important. You need to be able to have eyes on your offer. I want to wrap it up with that. You need to have eyes on your offer. A lot of people don't know where to start. So what I'm going to suggest for you is to take a look at the leads section. These are my recommended ways to get leads. That way you can start emailing people, right? If you have a large following on social media, God bless you. Go ahead and do that. If you would prefer to market on your social media platforms, I highly recommend YouTube. Because you put your face out there, you build up that know, like, and trust factor, because people are going to start building a rapport. They see your face, they know who you are, and that's how you're going to get sales, okay, guys? But again, all the links are below. Again, if you have any questions, you can email me. All my social media handles are down there, my emails down there, everything. All right, guys? So I hope I provided value, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.